You're gonna cut your tree. Cut the tree down. You cut that, you lumberjack, you. Alright. You big lumberjack. It's not moving. Well, don't be trying to cut my dog up now, Mr. Lumberjack. Cut the dog up. Oh well. Might have to sharpen your blade. No, that's not our tree. Don't mess with it. The neighbors will get mad. They don't like us.
There, give her a little help.
Yeah? Hey! Don't be cutting me up. What's wrong with you? Trying to cut the great legs off, Grandpa? Thor! Get back here. Come! Don't pee on it.
I'm done.
Come on, get out of that snow. You ain't got no boots on. What's wrong with you? We'll have to set them in front of the fireplace, get them dry again.